Hi, hello everyone. I will introduce today to you about energy levels. Uh, Energy level is some kind of endemic things of each every atoms have, but several atoms together close to enough energy levels separated some several another levels. And then we think about a very large number of atoms that state, and we can see about these things picture, but these things is energy level. It is that's energy state, and say we can see about this energy graph, and I will explain about this. And first, balance band. A band of energy occupied by balanced electrons in called the balance band. The balance band is the highest occupied band. And then conduction band. The conduction band is normally empty and maybe defined as the lowest on-field energy band. And in the conduction band, electrons can move freely everywhere, and that's general called a conduction band, conduction electrons. In solid state physics, the valence band and conduction band are the bands are closest to a Fermi level. That's close enough, but and determine the electrical conductivity of the solid. But in non-metals, the valence band is the highest range of electron energies, in which electrons are normally present at absolute zero temperature. While the conduction band in the lowest range of vacant energy states. And then this is a number of we have to know about numbers to study, because we study about almost silicons, that is energy gaps energy, and this is insulator. And then I will explain this. This is some several energy gaps about the material. And first, insulator have a very large, very broad range about energy gap. So, balanced electrons cannot be excited conduction band. So it is not have electrical conductivity. And then on semiconductors, but it is it have an appropriate range of energy gaps. So balanced electrons can move conduction band. So it conduction band conduction electrons freely move, and that is we balance band have some whole things. It is flux. It is can think about flux electrons. Flux carrier. Carrier means more right present. And then metals is almost to have free electrons, and that is also sometimes some things not have band gap energy. So it is can electrons move electrical states. And then this is my today's lesson. So goodbye, see you again.